nous parlons maintenant de zone ami cover venir activité le waloya agbanya week to less than a week to Christmas tal studio amia pas studio school via de la fia yen to bona pen koyo ga le ba nya bie ellen get strong so we atal get strong alone wo soroma emi biaga ellen school nya na no so we ata onyan ma strong magata mi be biaga ka don go ha mi da pen Lusaland ever English dictionary la bana wonya me ka le wona ra sika fi mi va mi afa moji nya to yo na ba Christian na diabo ta akpena vita mi no ya pa wona oji enya no nsa no pon ta ala ko na we
nko yenya
Vincent Mensa
okay
la fika
oji suga
ko aga feel na le dabala junction suka ta na le dabala junction afia
mo ba fia ma wa strong to movie editing
fa bi a strong to movie editing ala strong alo strength ho alo azon feel na go maje
aw much of my strength
okay
yeah la mara for training a wu mu ni che yako
okay
nto amako be now matia wona no when it come about the movie editing
okay probably atia wona no when it comes to movie editing if you be atia edit movie alo atia wona no
if you matia
edit movie
okay
ta how many days semi call you le training yeah let's see movie edit girl
le consider kama Mivana Zero, that is Saturday and then Sunday.
Okay.
That Nemiagla 2 months Misa.
Okay.
Kaka 2 days in weeks with Misa call.
Okay. Okay. Tan of your class are no effective alo atakoma because mother is in the number na school just 2 months. About you understand na get because amotizana pa den pa ton kata kosona nu aba enu vovoko
yeah learning popotima class are very effective practical ha asubo da nenya made never fear alo le ale kenya mo te manage cause 2 months kokoso nyamu kata ale ka practical subo no wongi ma pike wo ha ha ma pike o ma wenya ha ma we upo yamo ko be now I can do what I was asked to do
nema bia because no kwala le pon le se ha nema ba bia susuka vata me no cafe de ko ko pure eni a train ya ma moreover manya ba na la school vie na nya aloma bua SS alo senior high form nene
form 2
yes mele easy ba ano school either GSS alo SS atwa ga call ku about the training bubum susuka ta na vata wana o
yeah susu ika no ta wana from over training amenya ba fifia miapo government manya na amu complete na school ba wono na ina pom ebi amu ga ifeda awunya amu university but still o ga bala pom ta squad ko mi me complete if you get a worker me away ba nyanya susu menya mako movie editing na go kwala dukinya na mo complete ma te ba ko chance te ko do ada ko le government side ha nyento mano te ko de ka ano movie editing makoro nya life management
okay ta na me ma biala ke ko combine over school plus training how do you combine with anu
yeah school maina from Monday to Friday Saturdays and Sundays mo cover na Dabala Junction but to na training so
okay ta le fon popoti no play training akata manato concerning film editing right
yeah
film editing na madam be asron film editing na lo alaka atiako recommend na madam enunye na popa madam na strong alo na madam be asron ata dajifo na maba na va strong
yeah lenye poti no fia na amadela ko amade ni school by now fia my advice be no anyodi baka focus le education de casual abana mi amu le ngona mi amu dugu training college university but still all up umuti po chance le don le government new kakene like ever to training mo wa to this movie editing training ama even ma gate po chance gate ga yi va po do the government bo mo won to atiano do kwesi awo your small job ako manage to queue.
Okay, no me bia school dey course ka omnele school secondary school course ka omnele
mo kunye ntomele electrical engineering.
Okay, so far apart from electrical engineering, film editing, no kawe neganya kokuda alungu kawe neganya.
Mo wana achichen by ajirana.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes so abiale kamile ejoma na nye friend ade ho do abe ko chuchu do na mo na de michu na gba ha. Okay. Gba ha manya chuchu.
Okay. Okay, if you have all anger na do have when na have when nova video film editing alo video editing ati when nova electrical engineering.
Yeah.
Na ati when nova petrochu alo hotutu go ma go engineer ati wanana no. Okay, Kenya ke na global you've got a lot pom amolo pom le ole ya pom le social media o mi pom la afi get tanya ke advice ke na youth aba over type o en nya ke na ti aglo abale na nya nu get ko kud ni omu anya ke na ti aglo no fifi la ya lo na ko advice so
yeah la bonya my advice me to YouTuber fifia na po upload pla ejumo fia boko be uko this flood then scamming kokodota but my advice will be that one day there will be a stop to it. Na mo gede vanyabo ale ke no kwa 40 ale ke use on alo kafi fraud na mu ale ke wo na kafi ble na mu le funji hona galosia no ga vangba wona mu they will not get that money again that by this time you go over youth Asia. This is the time for them to sit up and learn something. Tanu anyu my advice over wafa asun this movie editing, alo camera handling, alo acting, alo film directing, wano alo manu. Then about the squad in go bomuti ga bakpo do handi. They can be managing themselves with the directing or the camera handling, neither the editing. Yeah, enyama le bonima. Alo nei toga pope edobu bwadeli. Yati asun wakpele eduku inwa. Yeah, no focus no stream by now.
Okay, ta in all afeba emiaka Banigba TV play unique star movie production initiative your cover voter precisely Dabalajan Shalo Safton aleba ko fiamo film editing, film directing, film acting, script writing and all that. Afeba enya numi na ko ba alo camera handle kata enya numi na ko ba youth walu sohio wakopota akopode ma akopodo ki akopode ma osro alaba anyemu anosi le open performer.
Yeah.
Okay. Ta nukola akpena mi mi gamlo Banigba TV ji ni amile azonwa Nusaland English dictionary yalle wona yora sika film va mi apamoji ta no ba Nusaland's English dictionary ya konye vegbe play vugbe dictionary na here na me primary school GSS SS university alo am same ka bia strong vegbe adodu alo atia play vugbe na strength ko anya vugbe ha ta combine play English for dictionary onye deka where they can call up ma attack po if a mini alo pe go madele vugbe English ma ta akpena mi kam aba alesi mi akom le program yakata follow tanye to yo na nye be Christian adi abalo service tinye nkonye ta miklami akpa